Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetarian tacos at home. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need colorful vegetables like bell peppers, onions, and corn. Next, decide on your protein. Black beans or seasoned tofu work wonderfully. Finally, pick your favorite tortillas, whether soft corn or flour, to build your delicious tacos. This simple start ensures a flavorful meal. Now, let's create the flavorful filling. Begin by sautéing your chopped vegetables in a pan with a little oil until they become tender, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, stir in your chosen protein, like black beans or crumbled tofu, along with a generous amount of taco seasoning. Let this mixture simmer for 8 to 10 minutes, allowing all the delicious flavors to meld together perfectly. With your filling ready, it's time to assemble your tacos. Gently warm your tortillas in a dry pan for about 30 seconds per side, or briefly in the microwave to make them pliable. Spoon a generous amount of your delicious vegetarian filling into the center of each warm tortilla. Finish by adding your favorite toppings, such as fresh salsa, creamy avocado slices, and a bright squeeze of lime juice. Your incredible homemade vegetarian tacos are now complete. Serve them immediately to enjoy the freshest flavors and textures. Don't forget to offer a variety of extra toppings like fresh cilantro, a sprinkle of your favorite cheese, or a dash of spicy sauce to customize each bite. For an effortless way to keep your kitchen clean after cooking, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing product and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.